So this is Bravo. Basically, everyone has Bravos or points that they can give and Bravos that they've earned. Now, at the beginning of the month, I had 300 Bravos from which I've used some, and I now have 160 left that I can give to someone. The way I would recognize someone would be to go in here. I can recognize one person, multiple people. I can also recognize a whole team. So I will just click on plus and say I want to give, for instance, 10 points, tag a user by pressing at. Um, Now here I could also add multiple people if I wanted to. So I could say at this person. And then when I press the hashtag, I can choose the values. So whatever your corporate values are, you can recognize people based on those. In this case, I would say teamwork. And I would post a message. You did an awesome job on that project. Well done. Now I can mark this as to whether I consider this to be an achievement or not. I can also mark the recognition as private. If the recognition is private, the only people who can see that are the person being recognized, the recognizer, and the admins who have access to the platform. I can also share a mood, like I'm happy. I can add emoticons. I can add, Giphies. I can add these Bravo cards. So I will just go ahead. I can also add my own image. So I'll just post this. And once I post this, the people being recognized will get email notifications. And this will appear on the timeline for everyone to see because it's a public recognition and it's not a private one. Now, along with that, as you can see, it's visible for everyone to see on the timeline, very similar to a Facebook or a LinkedIn, timeline or a feed. Now, once I've received, like in this case, I gave the recognition, but if I had received this recognition, I could also go on and share it on LinkedIn. If you received a recognition, you'll get a little icon here that says LinkedIn share. When you click on that, it'll ask you to log into LinkedIn, and then you would be able to share it like this. As you can see, this is the recognition I received, and I shared it on LinkedIn, and it's publicly available to my entire professional network. So that option is also there. Now, once you have all these rewards, these recognitions, you can go into your reward section and you will have some rewards that are available to you. So, and this is a different company from the one you have. So you will be having, for instance, other rewards. But the way you would go in is if I would go here and say, okay, I want to buy this reward. If I have enough Bravos for that. In this case, it costs 500 Bravos. So if I wanted to purchase those, these points would be deducted from my total earned points. So yeah, that's essentially the way that you can use the platform for rewards and recognition. You can do the same thing from Teams as well. So you would just go into your Teams, and this should be installed in your Teams as on a chat or on a team. This spot, you would go in there and click on recognize a colleague, and you would be able to reward the your colleagues in the same way. And those points would be adjusted on your Bravo platform as well. So in the same way, I would say, okay, I want to give 5 points. Who do I recognize? In the exact same way. The value demonstrated, test message. I could optionally add a Bravo card. And then I can optionally share a mood and click on recognize. And this would appear here, and it would also appear on the Bravo platform. So, it's really as simple as that. It takes a little bit longer on Teams, but this would be posted, for everyone to see right there. So, right, as you can see, it's right here. So yeah, it's as simple as that. So that's it. Thank you.